Hi, good morning. I like to welcome you in Physics 122, and this course is completely online. Then you are going to follow what is really, um, you know, um, scheduled here. Um, I will maybe show you here some of the things that we need to go over. Um, the links here. This is gonna be like taking you to this home page. This is the course acknowledgement form, which is really very needed, and you should to submit as soon as you can. It has points allocated to it. This is the syllabus. This is the course grading. I will explain what's that. And here, course modules, homework assignments, and you should see also the quizzes. Okay, I don't have it here, but I'm gonna add the quizzes as well. Let's go first for the syllabus. Okay, and here is the syllabus. Um, I am here. My name is Asma Saeed, of course. I've been teaching here at Cal State since 2011 or 2012. I'm not sure. Um, you are going to email me using this email here. This course is 4 units. Of course, they are going to be recorded lectures. This is the orientation video, one of the orientation videos. Um, I have office hours Monday, Wednesday. These are actually typically they are going to be in class, but the first two I mean in on ground, not on class in my office. This one I will make it virtual. Then I'm gonna also list for you like give you the link for the Zoom for these office hours. This should take you to the textbook, and we are trying to actually have covering from chapter 13, 14, 15, and then we are going to jump then to 20, 21 according to the syllabus. What's good about the textbook that it is free for you. You can download an app, you can view it online, you can download a PDF, and even you can order a hard copy. Sorry. Let's go back to the syllabus. Of course, here the lectures they will be held completely online, recorded, and I will say we are going to have, of course, lecture exams. We're gonna have homework assignments. We're gonna have quizzes. All of them are mandatory and must be taken when scheduled. They cannot be made up. WebAssign is going to be the tool that we will do for homework and quizzes, and you can buy a single term from WebAssign for $37.95. You will access WebAssign from the course, and for the exams they will be completed through Blackboard, and it will be announced in when we have the exam. You need to read this syllabus carefully, understand all the content, ask questions, and sign in the acknowledgement form. And you can find the acknowledgement in the last page of this document. I will upload it also via Blackboard. Then if you look here, course acknowledgement form, this is the form that you need to download and sign and then submit. If you look here, you are going to say this is Physics 122, the section 40. I don't memorize the section code. Copy it. The course title. It is in the syllabus. And today's date. What is really very important here is that I have, you are going to state that I have received a copy of the course syllabus and was present when the instructor discussed the contents. If I was not present, I have received a copy of the syllabus. That copy might be digital, like in your case, or hard copy, and have had an opportunity to read it and ask questions about it. You can ask me questions during office hours. In particular, I was able to view, understand, and agree on class policies related to exams. I understand that there will be no makeup exams under any circumstances, and I have the right to drop one exam only during the whole semester. And then here you're going to have your name, your signature, your date. This is very important. Is going to worth 20 points, okay? Okay, then this is really, okay, where we going to submit? You will not email this to me. You're going to come here, the submission, and then you are going either to write or, of course, browse your local files after you sign it, and then you're going to submit. Don't submit a blank, document, all right? Then this is really one of the most important that you have to do on the first day. Now, WebAssign is going to be the tool that we use for homework and quizzes, and you can purchase, this is repeated. The quizzes are timed for 30 minutes, and the quiz will be available only for these 30 minutes. You may drop one midterm exam. No makeup exams will be given under any circumstances. And I will say here, I give you some of the examples about what is really the things that you might encounter, and you will, drop your exam. Now, one of the things that I advise my students, don't do the drop like for the first exam or the second or the third or the fourth, or, take all the exams unless you have an emergency, okay? Because you might decide, okay, I don't want to take the first exam. Okay, maybe I was busy with something, and then you will get sick for exam 3 or 4. I will not give you another chance to drop another exam. Here, you can only actually just drop one. If you were sick or somebody from your immediate family members got sick, or you have been involved in a car accident, power outages, technical difficulties, doctor or dentist appointment, power outages, you were called to work. All of these, they're gonna be something that you should, you can drop one of the exam. If you have the chance to not to, not, you are present for all the labs, that's okay. For all the lecture, for all the exams, that's okay. You can drop one of them. Now, in the exam, you might have multiple choice, or you might have, free response questions. This is the criteria for, solving questions. The equation 2 point, the numbers 1, the math is 1, and significant figures and units are really 1. There will be 4 exams total with maximum 100 maximum each to evaluate your performance in the class. Exams will be completely online and available usually on Fridays from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Now, the thing is, you have 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the exam. Once you are in the exam, it is timed for 1:30 minutes. One exam will be held on Saturday because of the holiday on the Friday before, and the exam will be available only for 1:30 minutes. You have to use 1 hour 15 minutes in solving, and 15 minutes to upload your work. I will drop the lowest, then 3 exams will be considered. Here are the dates for the exams. Daily quizzes and homeworks, very similar to each other. They will be available through WebAssign, Nothing will be dropped because you have a week for completing these. They are available from the first day of class, and you should work on them. They have very strict due dates. You have 2 attempts for each one, and I'm gonna consider the best grade. Here is the grading, and I will also go over the grading in a little bit, showing you how your grade in the course is going to be calculated. The quizzes, they will have a weight of 20% of your grade, homework 15%, lab 20%, and I'm going to consider only three of these exams, each is 15. In order to pass the class, you must receive a C or better, which is greater or equal than 74. One more thing, which is really important, if you will not pass the lab, you will not pass the course. Okay, and this is very important. Here, learning outcomes, accessibility, all the things that, like school policies, accommodations. If you need any accommodations, please contact me as soon as you can. Here is the outline for the course, what we are going to cover. And this is actually the tentative schedule for materials. And I will say this is how we are going to navigate this course. Now, the acknowledgement form is here again, but I will say, I prefer if you go here and, download this one. Course grading policies, or how you're going to be graded in this course. This is 20% for quizzes, 15 for homework, 20 for lab, and 3 exams, each 15, then it is 45%. Let's assume you got exam number 1 35, exam 2 30, and exam 3 28. Remember that dropping the lowest will not be determined or finalized, I will say, until we are done from all the exams. But what I will do is you will see all your grades on Blackboard. I will drop, like after the second exam, I will drop the lowest so that you will be able to see your grade, an actual grade for you. I will also, after the like having 3 exams, I will drop the lowest of the 3 and go on. Now, I will say here, we have, I drop this one, and I will average these two, 32.5 over 40. Then in the exams, you have 81%. And let's assume you scored in the quizzes 90% and the homework 40%. Your weighted total will be 81 times 0.45. 0.45 it is the weight of the exams. The quizzes, you got 90 and its weight is 0.20. The homework, you scored 40 out of 100, or 40%, and the weight is 0.15. And your lab is going to be 97, for example, times 0.2. This is how you're going to get your weighted total based on this. All right? Here I will have course models. Then I will, have the notes. You will see that there is a recorded lecture here. And this is... I don't know why it's taking me to the course outline. It's not taking me. Like, you can access the homework from here, and the quizzes as well. I'm gonna add the link. Thank you, and I will upload this soon.